everybody, this is Red Sonia. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out an electric soldering iron. This is by Performance Tool. I picked this up at O'Reilly Auto Parts. You can get replacement tips. There's a bunch of different types. I think it was about $5 for this particular one. This is just a regular one. The unit itself cost, I believe, was about $15. And the specs say it's an 8-watt, obviously cordless, electric. Constant burn time, 45 minutes on low, 30 minutes on high. And I'm going to interject and say, if you're going to run it constantly for that amount of time, it's plastic. I don't recommend it. I would use an electric one if I was going to use it that long. If you turn it on and turn it off and whatever, that's totally different. Maximum temperature, 572 degrees Fahrenheit, 300 Celsius. Runs on 4 AA batteries, which go in the bottom. Reaches 365 degrees Fahrenheit immediately and cools down instantly. I would say it's a little slower than instantly, but quickly. Heats up to working temperature in under 15 seconds, equivalent to an 8-watt soldering iron. LED power indicator, which is in the front, which is really handy so you can see your work. Ideal for field service repair on small parts and components. And it tells you the model tip to use as a replacement. And it says Performance Tool is a brand name of Wilmar Corporation. So the lid has a little tail piece which holds the button down so that it won't accidentally turn on. But when you remove that, all you do is just turn the button on and it will heat up. The light comes on. I'm going to give it a few seconds and then show you with a little solder. So it does heat up very quickly. And it cools off pretty quickly. Definitely not instantly, but a few seconds. It doesn't take long at all. And I'm going to compare it just briefly with, this is a butane soldering iron. So obviously this works on liquid gas, like you would use in your lighter or whatever. A little harder to find the gas for it. I find that this is it's a very reliable product, but again, it's harder to get the gas for it. It's a little more, a little more pricey. I think it was like $120 for this one. This is a Weller. A little more solid though. I've had this one for ages and it's still kicking. You can get replacement tips for this as well. But again, it's a bigger investment. And if you're gonna, I was doing slot repair work, so I used it all the time. So that's a different animal. This is just for, average Joe or Jane. Just needs something quick so you can fix a wire or, something small. But I totally recommend it. It's really easy to use, even for the novice. Very easy to use. Pretty safe. Obviously, if you stick your hand on it, you're going to get burned. But otherwise, fairly safe. And, it's not round. It's flat on the side, so if you set it like that, it's not going anywhere. and there's no way for the button to automatically go on or accidentally go on. Or so all in all, pretty good tool. I wouldn't sit there and solder for 30 minutes like it says you're able to do, because this part is plastic that holds it on. But it heats up so quickly, I don't see the point of leaving it on for a half an hour. So all in all, I recommend this tool highly, but you have to know its limitations. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please like and subscribe and pass it on to others. Hope you have a great day.